Welcome to Code Shopping.
Hi, today we are going to see the demo for PassPass app PHP web application. Now let's see how to start the project. First open the SAM control panel. Start the MySQL database and Apache web server. Next open the Visual Studio Code. Here you can explore your project folder. Click the readme text. Here you can see the project URLs and then login details. Copy the localhost PHP myadmin and paste to the browser. Left side you can able to see the backend database. Click the DB name, you can view the backend database tables. Click the table name, you can view the table data. For Windows user, open the XAMPP control panel. Start the Apache and MySQL. Then click the MySQL admin button, it will promote you to the web browser. Then you can able to see the backend database tables. Next go to the Visual Studio Code. Explore the web folder. Here you can see the project delivery files. Explore the JS folder. You can see the Angular JS files. Click the file name. You can view the source code. Then click the HTML file. You can view the HTML source code. Then copy the project URL and paste to the browser. So this is a project homepage. Here we have three roles: user, admin and conductor. Let's start with admin. Enter the admin email ID and password. Login successful. Here we have several models. Let's start with the add conductor. Admin can add the conductor details. Here you can enter the name, email ID, password, mobile number, and then select the type, bus number, address, and then select the gender. Once you do that, click the submit button, it will be created. Whatever you have been created, you can view the view conductor. If you want to update anything, you can do it here. If you want to get the more information, click the more button. Here you can see the more information about the conductor. Here you can using the search option. Here you can search any field wise. And then click the add bus. Here you can create the bus details. Enter the bus number from and to address and then enter the route, cost. Once you do that, click the submit button, it will be created. What are the bus details you have been created? You can view the view bus. If you want to update or delete anything, you can do it here. Next click the add speed. It can add the bus speed. Enter the bus name, from and to address, time, speed. Once you do that, click the submit button, it will be added. Whatever you have been added, you can view the view speed. And then click the bus pass. Here you can see the all bus pass report details. Here you can filter the data like status wise. So here you can see the QR code. And then click the status. Here you can update the status, whether it is approval, rejected or under progress. And then here you can enter the amount and then end date. Once you do that, click the submit button, it will be approved. Next, move to the user. Before you log in the user, you have to register. Click the register button. Here you can enter all the fields for user registration. Enter the name, email ID, password, mobile number. You can enter the Aadhaar number. And then select the type, date, address. And then select the gender. Once you do that, click the submit button. So the password should be in 8 digits. It must contain one capital letter, one special character, and then numbers. So registered successfully. Now log in the user. So here also we have the several models. Let's start with the apply pass. Here you can enter all the fields for apply the new pass. Select the pass type and then period, bus number, and then select the from and to address. Here you can enter the mobile number and then email ID. Once you do that, click the submit button. So it will be created. Whatever you have been created, you can leave here. Click the upload button. Here you can upload the image. And then click the renewal. Here you can renewal the pass. Here you can scan the QR code. It will show the bus pass ID. And then click the buy ticket. Here you can buy the tickets. Here you can click the pay button, so it will be booked. And then click the my ticket. Here you can see your booking ticket details. And then click the location. Here you can see the bus location. And then click the bus fee. You can view the bus fee details. Then click the wallet. Here you can see your wallet balance details. Here you can add the money. And then click the my profile. Here you can see the user profile details. If you want to edit the password, you can do it here. Next, move to the conductor. You can click the ticket. So here you can verify the ticket details. And then click the pass. Here you can search the bus pass details. And then click the update location. Here you can update the location. Then click the show map. Here you can see the updated location. So this is a bus pass app PHP web application.
Code shopping.